Scared your stunning AI creations might end up plastered all over someone else's social media? This video is your guide to achieving ultimate Midjourney privacy. First, let's address the obvious public channels. When you generate images in these channels, everyone sees them as a digital art gallery. Whether you like it or not, to keep things private, you need to interact with the Midjourney bot directly. Find the Midjourney bot in the member list on the right-hand side of your Discord screen. Click on its name to open a direct message. This is your private canvas. Any images you create here are visible only to you, unless you choose to share them. Now, generate your images as you normally would, using the same prompts and commands, but within this direct message window. See, no prying eyes. But wait, there's more. Head over to the Midjourney website and log into your account. Then, navigate to your subscription settings. Here, you need to ensure your stealth mode is enabled. If your subscription plan allows it, this ensures your images remain private. Even within the Midjourney website itself, toggle that switch to on. And that's it. By using direct messages and enabling stealth mode, you're well on your way to enjoying Midjourney without sacrificing your privacy. Now go forth and create worry-free. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips.